Hey guys, thank you so much for popping in on the video. Now you saw from the thumbnail what we're talking about today. Today we are making a natural dishwashing liquid. If you are new to this channel, my name is Iamdanafene, and this is a channel where I like to show you guys how you can live a little lower waste using very simple ingredients, saving a ton of money with tips and hacks along the way. If you are a current follower, thank you so much for popping back in on today's video. Now you know how I do it. I like to keep it simple and jump right into it, so let's do it. To start this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of distilled water that is warm. You don't want it hot, you just want it a little bit warm. To start this recipe, you're going to need 2 cups of distilled water that is warm. You don't want it hot, you just want it a little bit warm. The second ingredient you're going to need is a tablespoon of either kosher salt or sea salt. We're going to add that right to our warm water mixture. Now the next thing that we're going to add is a little rosemary essential oil, if you have it. If you don't have this and maybe you have some thieves oil, you can do that as well. I'm going to add about 5 or 6 drops to it. And then I'm going to add some lemon essential oil. Now I'm using a lot of lemon in this recipe because lemon is great to actually cut grease and grime, and it actually is going to help really clean your dishes. Oh my goodness, I can't get the top off. Okay, so I'm going to add a little more of lemon essential oil. We're going to do about 7 or 8 drops of lemon essential oil to make sure that our dish soap is a powerhouse and can really cut through that grease. Now the final thing that I'm going to add, which is optional, you don't have to do it, is a little olive oil. I like to add about a tablespoon or a half a tablespoon of olive oil just so that the soap is a little moisturizing. Now the last thing that you are going to do is just give it a little shake, and I like to do this just because you want to make sure that everything is well incorporated. So all of the things that are in here, as we've already said, are natural, simple, and easy. The lemon is really going to be your powerhouse to really cut through the grease along with the Suds soap. And this really only takes a few pennies, few cents actually to make, right? And you can know that this is very healthy for your family and doesn't contain any of those harmful artificial fragrances and chemicals that you would typically see in your conventional dish soaps. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, hit that subscribe bell, and hit the notification bell. That way you never miss when I upload a new video each and every week. Take care.